Today I'm going to be showing you how to write stories on Wattpad. You just need to follow these steps. So let's get into it. First, all you have to do is open Wattpad. Then you'll be landing on your home page. Now in order to write stories, you need to click on the symbol of pen on bottom. Click on it. Then you need to click on create a new story. Now you can start your story from this page. First you have to add your story title. So I'm gonna add this new old house as my title, and here you need to add story description. Once you are done writing your description, you need to click on next. Here you need to add one title for your story part. So I'm gonna add this as my title for my story part. And below the title part, you'll get to see the option to write story. You need to start writing story from right here. For now, I'm just gonna paste this story from my clipboard. Now above the title page, you'll get to see the option to add any media. And if you want to add any media, you need to click on it. Here you'll get to see the option to add image or add YouTube videos. So I'm gonna add one image to this story. So I'm gonna choose this image. Now you can see the image above your title page. And if you want to preview your story, you need to click on three dot and click on preview. It will take a while, you just have to wait for it. So in this format, your story is gonna be presented to the viewers. After you are done previewing your story, you need to click on publish in order to publish your story. Now you need to add one category and tags for your story. So click on category. Now it's the story of horror, so I'm gonna choose horror as the story category. Now you need to add one tags for your story. So I'm gonna add hashtag horror. Once you are done, you need to click on save on top right corner. Now your story is ready to be published. You need to click on publish and click on publish now. Now your story has been published successfully. Now you need to click on done. Now you need to go to your profile on top right corner. Here you'll get to see your story on your feed. Now other people can easily access to your story and easily read your story. Now you need to click on your story. And if you want to edit, you need to click on edit, and if you want to view as a reader, you need to click on view as reader. Well, in this way your story gonna be presented to other people. With this process, you can easily write another story on Wattpad. So this is it, and this was a tutorial on how to write stories on Wattpad. I hope this video was informative for you. Thank you for watching it till the end. Have a great day.